Hi, Chris here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage. Guys, introducing the most amazing dream giveaway ever. It's the Chevy C10 Dream Giveaway. To help me out with our first reveal of the Chevy C10 for all of you out there in broadcast land, I've got my good friends Boomer. Boomer, say hi. And Blake. All right, guys, now here's what's going to happen. Blake and Boomer know a whole lot about this Chevy C10. I'm going to tell you that the Chevy C10 restoration market is huge right now. Huge. In fact, it's so huge that this is where guys are now restoring classic vehicles. You know, all the Camaros have been taken, all the Mustangs have been taken. So guys are finding Chevy C10s. First generation from 1967 to 1972. And they're taking these vehicles and they're turning them into excellent show cars, excellent drivers. And this one is the most amazing one that we found in the entire country. I'm going to let Boomer and Blake show you more and tell you more. But first, hey, why don't we start with a little engine sound, huh? And hey, can you get this thing off the ground a little bit?
Start it off.
I said get it off the ground.
Hey guys, Boomer here for Dream Giveaway Garage. I'm here today with Blake. Say hi, Blake.
Hey guys.
So let's start at the back of the truck back here. Come on back. Like Chris was saying, this is one beautiful, beautiful truck. So let me tell you a little bit about this to start with. This truck has been through a couple iterations already. It was originally built out in California. A gentleman built it, put a lot of money, put a lot of work into it, did a lot of the stuff that you see now, took it to a certain level. Then he got it to where he wanted. He sold that truck. This truck then went to Oklahoma, was purchased by a gentleman who actually runs a restoration shop. He took it to the way you see it right now. And it is absolutely one of the best C10 builds I've ever seen. This truck has been on 2 magazine covers. So whoever gets this truck is going to roll up in the car show, drop this thing down like it is now, get out, and people are just going to be wowed. So come over here, let me show you this. Let's start with the bed. The bed itself is made out of bamboo, and it's been completely finished. It's fully tubbed. And the bed has been raised up so that it's got a really nice, smooth, clean look. And when this thing sits down, those big 22-inch rims go right up in those tubs, and it is just a thing of beauty.
Yeah, Boomer, I wanted to point out, if you guys take a look in the bed, the craftsmanship, the time, the energy that someone spent to make this as beautiful as it is, it's not easy. It's very labor intensive, and this came out absolutely stunning. And it really fits the ride really well. If you look down on the side there, that wheel fits perfectly. There's no rubbing, there's nothing besides a clean, beautiful ride. And we'll tell you, this truck is on airbags. So when you pull up to the show, you can slam it down, have that show stance that everybody's looking for with their C10, and it just looks great.
Oh yeah, the air ride system is made by Ride Tech, and it's got the intelligent Ride Tech system in it. And what it'll do is, when you get in, even if you've got it slammed like this, when you get in this truck to go to start it, as soon as you turn the key on, it will return itself to ride height, and you can just drive away. You don't have to play with the air controls or any of that stuff. And what you can also see when you were back here is this thing has gorgeous 22-inch shot wheels on it, with Willwood brakes all the way around. So, hey, tell you what, let's open the door and have them get a look inside here real quick.
Yeah, the interior absolutely sets it apart. I mean, the plaid that's in there, the red, I mean, really pops. When you go to a show, everybody's going to be sticking their head in the window going, man, that's a heck of an interior, and we 100% agree. This truck has basically every detail has been gone over to make it an award-winning magazine cover truck, and we're saving the best for you. Let's show them the engine.
Oh
Boomer.
yeah, this is probably the best part of this. This beautiful truck has a LS motor in it. So what you have here, let's start with the motor. This is a 6.2 that's been bored and stroked to 6.8 liter. It has a retro kit on it, and it has a blackout kit on it. So let's do this. So the retro kit, what they did is you've got the old style Chevy valve covers here. Beautiful Chevy orange, all done up, gorgeous. And what they did is they removed the LS valve covers. They removed the coil packs. The coil packs have all been located down below, so they're hanging down. Then they took these retro style valve covers and put them on here, and it just makes this motor look absolutely gorgeous. And like Blake was talking about in the rear of the truck, the time that went into doing that bed, you can see it for yourself. The time that went into molding these front fenders. This is all hand milled, hand ground, hand sanded. They even put tubs in here for the front wheels to come up into. This is all just beautifully, beautifully done. All finished in orange and black. Willwood brakes. There's your master cylinder. And this truck has Hydro Boost on it. So the brakes work like a charm without that big booster that you normally see sticking right there out of the firewall. I mean, just a gorgeous, gorgeous package on this thing. You heard it earlier, it's got custom exhaust, it's running Flowmaster 40s. Just a wonderful, wonderful truck.
And I'll tell you, when we were going through trucks looking to bring you guys, of course, the best truck on the market, when we saw this engine bay, it just topped all the other trucks. I mean, you see some that the outside look good, the interior looks good, but man, you pop the hood of this thing and it really sets itself apart. The hours put in this, it's what you call a shaved engine bay, so you can't see where the windshield washer fluid goes, can't see where the battery is. So there's a lot of delete in here, which makes it that much more of a show truck. So you can be 100% confirmed that when you go to a show, when you win this C10, you can pop the hood and be absolutely excited to show it off to all the other car guys and gals out there. And we've actually had this truck approved. If you guys go to our website, dreamgiveaway.com, you'll see Kevin Tetz has been in this truck, and he's built hundreds, if not thousands of cars. He drove this, walked around it, and he said, hands down, one of the finest trucks that he's ever driven. So check out the engine bay, check out the air ride, how beautiful it sits. This can be your guys. It just launched today, so you want to get in early. Go to Dream Giveaway, use our promo code Facebook Live, and you'll get bonus tickets. But we're so excited here at Dream Giveaway to launch the C10. Boomer, why don't you fire it up again, show them how the ride height is.
Show you how it comes back up at start.
There you go, guys. So you'll know that it's basically able to go. Look at the ride height. You just start it up, it comes right back up. Perfect for your driving. So when you're leaving the show, you don't have to worry about scraping anything. It rides perfect. So make sure you go to Dream Giveaway, get in early, and you definitely want to have this C10 sitting in your driveway. What do you think, Boomer?
I completely agree. Guys, gals out there, whoever you are, this is absolutely the most amazing C10 you're going to see probably anywhere. You win this truck, you're going to get noticed when you're rolling up. You're going to get noticed when you stop. You're going to get noticed when you drop. You're going to get noticed when you open that engine bay up like Blake was talking about. So here's the deal. Like we say, enter early, enter often. Get in here, get your tickets. Your money's going to 7 great charities. And you, like I said, are not going to find a finer truck anywhere out there than this truck. So we're going to be doing a lot more stuff with this truck in the days and weeks and months to come. So yeah, welcome back, Chris.
Thanks, keep talking. You're doing a great
job.
All
right, so that's all we're going to do for you today, I think. We're going to close this out. Remember, go to the website, dreamgiveaway.com, get your tickets, take a look at this truck, and we got a promo going on this thing, Chris?
Yeah, Facebook Live, use promo code. I'm trying to get picked up by your mic, that's why I'm talking loud. We will see you guys next time. with more great fun, more great action, and more great traction in
the Dream Giveaway Garage.
Have
See
a
you
great
next
day.
time.